Boss, I bring in the donuts we have sold.
My God, these donuts. Who would buy these? We're the mafia. Why are we even doing this? Here's what we'll do. We need to do this for a probable cause. We'll do this for the juniors of Minuteman Regional High.
I know that place. Got a lot of jobs from them kids.
Right. And kids are getting too smart these days. We need to give them a reasonable price. $16. Kids are always on their phones these days. Let's have them buy it online.
But why would the rest of the family agree to selling donuts for such a low price?
Prom tickets. The person who sells the most donuts will get 2 prom tickets to next year's prom.
We're gonna need more than that.
Fine. We'll give 1 prom ticket to the man who places second. We'll cut the price in half for the one who places third. Now let's sell donuts.